What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that for now we have a lot of good news directly related to Tesla. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we were nearing this first range of support and we had another range of support that was much more stronger than the first one, and I've told you that we might have bounces from these ranges. And as you can see right here, we broke the first range of support, bounced perfectly well from the second one, broke again the first range of resistance, that basically becomes a range of resistance, and then eventually we went lower. As you can see, we hit the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $272.13. And it is the range, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool, from its swing low at $204.79 to its swing high at $312. And as you can see, we retested this range of $280 from the bottom as the range of resistance, bounced back, retested again, and again we bounced back from it. So definitely we have this range as the major range of resistance in a short-term perspective. And I still stand on my position that we should land somewhere at the ranges of about $260, because this is the first range where algo trades might start to enter their long position with the price target of negative 0.236 at the price point of roughly $339. Definitely it might be a very good setup with more than 30% of potential profits, and I have to say that I'm very bullish overall on the Tesla stock, but the short-term perspective is not so bullish, I have to say. And in my technical analysis in just several minutes I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article. We are on teslarati.com and this article was published on September the 2nd, and it's titled "Tesla sales swell 105% year over year, considerably more than any other company." And let me quote you this. According to TrueCar's August sales estimates, Tesla sales have grown 105% year over year in the United States, the most out of any brand. The following closest manufacturer were General Motors at 40.9% and Daimler at 40% growth year over year. And the more important data is right here. TrueCar's analysis includes many other exciting details. First of all, Tesla's market share is now estimated at 4.1% overall or 4.4% of retail. This means the brand controls nearly double its market share compared to the same time last year, and it was 2.3%. TrueCar's stats also show that GM, Ford and Toyota remain market leaders in overall sales. GM controls 16.4% of the market, Ford controls 13.7% and Toyota controls 14.8%. So definitely it is a huge increase in the market share, and definitely Tesla is the #1 manufacturer of EV vehicles in the world right now, and it improves its positions. On top of this news, let me show you that Tesla is hiring for semi-service technicians as deliveries near. And let me quote you this. Tesla has been using the Semi for several months within its own fleet. However, customer deliveries are still yet to take place. That said, last month Tesla CEO Elon Musk confirmed deliveries of the electric truck would begin later this year, and now the firm is hiring for its semi-service program. Definitely, it is a very good sign that first customers will receive their semi-trucks by the end of this year, and definitely this improves the overall Tesla market share. On top of that, let me show you this article that was published on electric.co on September the 2nd, and it's titled "Tesla looks to hire high-volume recruiters in Quebec as rumors of a factory ramp up." And let me quote you this. Over the past few months, we have been reporting on evidence that Tesla has been looking at a potential location in Canada for its next Gigafactory. Tesla plans to ramp up production to 20 million electric vehicles by the end of the decade, and it is expected to need about 8 more Gigafactories to do it. In June, Electric obtained a recording of a company-wide meeting held by Tesla CEO Elon Musk, during which he confirmed that Tesla is looking at sites in North America, and the CEO hinted at Canada for Tesla's next Gigafactory, which he says should be announced by the end of the year. And definitely, if this announcement happens by the end of the year, probably we might see a huge increase in price of Tesla shares, because this announcement is highly anticipated by investors, because all of the shareholders like to see this news because it improves the company's financials, and at the end of the day it brings a lot of profits for existing shareholders. So, and let me show you another very interesting detail. Right here on fintel.io, and this website tracks the activity of institutional investors in certain company. We are on Tesla webpage, and as you can see right here, Vanguard is heavily buying Tesla stocks. As you can see, it added about 1.39% to its position, and the total value of this position for now is more than $12.5 billion. On top of that, another branch of Vanguard added about 0.79%, and it is quite small position of $130 million. Next one, let me show you right here, increased by 8.66%, and the total position is even higher. It is $17.46 billion. Huge increase in this position, and definitely this shows the upside potential of Tesla stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect from Tesla on Tuesday? Definitely we should see some kind of breakout above this range of resistance or below this previous swing low. And I have to say that for now, the most crucial point for Tesla's stock price is right here at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. It is $259.27, and it is the confluence of previous price action right here. As you can see, we touched it as a support, and from previous price action right here, as you can see, at the very end of May. And definitely this range might be very strong range of support, from which we might have this movement to the upside to hit the price target of $339.47. This means if you want to catch the trade, you can cautiously accumulate your position right here with the price target of $339.47, which implies about 30% of upside potential. But if you want to invest in this asset, let me switch to daily time frame and let me clean the chart a little bit. Right here, as you can see, we have the lowest point of its price action at the very end of May, and we have this movement to the upside, and right after that we have this retracement. So this is a very good entry point for you as a long-term holder of Tesla, because your stop loss might be slightly below this range of support, this lowest point of $207, but the upside potential for Tesla is much higher than the downside potential, and because of this you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle if your investment horizon is longer than 12 to 18 months. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life I'm